Hello everyone, welcome back to my random mix channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Island app to create separate work and personal spaces on your Android phone. This way you can easily log into multiple accounts for your apps without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what the Island app is. Island creates separate workspaces on your devices, allowing you to run different instances of the same app or separate apps altogether. It's perfect for managing the work and personal account without the need for the multiple devices. So you don't need to have two devices to log into two different accounts. So to get started, we need to first open the Google Play Store. So let's do that. So here you go. Then we're gonna search for the Island, and the very first one is the one. So we click install. Installing some take some time. Here we go. And now we do click the open. And here we're gonna, it's showing like what actually the Island is. Island is a sandbox environment to clone the selected apps and isolate them from the accessing your personal data outside, including the all call logs, contact even. So we can clone the app. There will be no more ads. We know that Google Play Store have other apps where you can clone your apps, but those things we can see like different ads. We need to wait for some time, but this Island doesn't need us to have ads. So let's click on the accept, and we click on the accept and continue. And here is setting up our profile. It's going to take some time. Your profile is visible to your IT admin. Now you can click on the next. We have installed the app. Now we're gonna go to the home screen. We're gonna click on the middle one, the home screen, and when we scroll up, we're gonna see now you can see there is personal and work. Here we go. It's personal. So for the personal one, we're gonna know by the icon of the suitcase. So you see like work has the suitcase icon, and the personal doesn't have any suitcase icon. And that's it. Now you have set up the Island apps on your Android phone to manage the multiple accounts seamlessly. It's a great way to stay organized without needing the multiple devices. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or other apps you would like to explore. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.